Be ready. On the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Sir, even though the bill comes to this house for the first time, I had touched upon this subject in my budget speech in May last, and its principles figured prominently in the course of the general discussion on the budget. The two booklets explaining generally the new taxation proposals have also been circulated to the honorable members of this House. The House will therefore agree with me that it is unnecessary to cover the same ground in detail again in my introductory speech, especially as the various provisions will come up for detailed consideration later on. I will confine myself only to the changes that have been made in the original provisions of the bill in the course of its passage in the other House. At the outset, I should say that the broad principles of a tax on wealth have received warm support not only in the other House but also from a large section of the public, though there was criticism over some particular provisions also. I had re-examined the original provisions in the light of the criticism and also representations received from various quarters, and such re-examination has only strengthened the justification for the tax. Sir, a tax on wealth is new to this country, but it is not new to the world. It constitutes a very vital element in the taxation system of most progressive countries, particularly in the European and American continents. Its importance should not, in my opinion, be judged purely from its revenue content. I do not for a moment say that revenue considerations should be absolutely ruled out, as they are very important, but the real importance of the tax from my point of view lies in the fact that it facilitates the reorientation of the tax structure into an integrated pattern. It is not only a welcome supplement to income tax but also a corrective to it, by which certain objectives of tax policy which cannot be achieved through income tax alone can be achieved through the combined preparation of all the new taxes. Sir, in this connection, I may mention that there has been much controversy about the question of levying wealth tax on companies. The Lok Sabha went very carefully into this matter and came to the conclusion that having regard to the corporate structure in India, it is possible to exclude companies as such from the levy.